Today we're going to be making bath bombs. What to do?
Okay, so we already mixed the pink one and we mixed the yellow one. So now we need to mix the green one.
Yeah.
Right? Where is the little water thing? The droplet.
Here you go.
You filled it already?
I think so.
No. Alright, so you fill up your little water droplet thing.
Yeah.
And then you
Dipped it in there.
drop the droplets.
And do it carefully.
Okay, until it's all empty.
Stop.
Right? So now you have to just mix up the little bit of water that you put in there. That's what the directions say. I know it looks kind of pointless, but there is a point behind it. So, okay, so then the next step is you get your citric acid. And then we're going to cut this open and put it inside.
Now you're going to pour it in there. The whole bag in there. And you're going to mix it. No!
All right, let mommy mix it. Mommy's going to do the mixing.
I need to do it.
Okay, sure.
Can I do
All right,
it now?
Aubrey, let Aubrey mix a little. Get her get a turn. And then let mommy finish it, okay? So we can move on. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Now let mommy
now-
finish mixing it. So
Now
we can-
while my mom is mixing, actually I am just going to watch.
And these bath bombs that we are making today, we purchased them from Ross.
Yeah, you could only find them in the toy app.
We found it in the toy section
Yeah,
at
but
Ross.
find
And they
more-
smell really good.
Yes, this one is like kind of like kiwi, and this one is like kind of banana, and that one's the pink one is trying to like strawberry. It's kind of like, you can't really smell it. But
I can smell it.
we're gonna be back for we. I can smell some of it. Bye, guy. No.
This one smells like flowers to me.
Yeah, that one smells like flowers.
The one we purchased was called So Bomb DIY Mix and Fill Mold. Comes with 3 surprises that you can put in there. It says make 3 bath bombs with the surprise inside. Just add water. So this is what the packaging looks like. A little ideas. So you can mix the yellow and blue with some sprinkles and it'll come out to Sunny Island. Or you can do
Can I have my peep in
pink
there?
and yellow. No. Pink and yellow. Aubrey, remove that now. With sprinkles and make pink lemonade. Or you can do blue and pink with sprinkles and it'll make bubble gum. And then you can add your little surprises. And we purchased this from Ross for $5.99. And this is everything that comes inside of the kit. We had already prepared these 2 prior to starting the video, and then we decided to do this one on camera for you guys to see. Okay, so now we're moving on. Now we did the mix, so now we're gonna do the mold. You can do your own thing, okay? All right, so 1 for you,
Okay.
1 for you.
Me.
Okay, no, 1 for your sister, and then 1 for you, okay?
So I'm gonna pick.
All right, who wants sprinkles in their bath bomb?
Mine.
You want sprinkles?
Now since she's adding in the sprinkles, those are not real sprinkles. Those are fake. I can't even say fake. Fake sprinkles. And do not think about eating them, guys. Little kids, if you're watching this, do not eat them. Yeah, because they're not candy.
Yeah, these are not candy sprinkles.
Yeah, they're fake.
Yes. Okay, so scoop out some green. You can do more. Take a bigger scoop than that.
Oh,
Aubrey, can you not?
I'm helping you.
Okay, you can do your own. He's doing his. All right,
Well,
try to
he's
scoop a
doing
little. Okay, you gonna do some yellow? Okay.
no, you want to see?
Uh-oh, is it stuck?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, we waited too long. I think we made bath bombs bowls. Hold on, guys. Wait. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, so guys, we made the pink and the yellow,
But it dried.
and our camera was dead, so we had to charge it. So we had to wait for the camera to charge, and the yellow and the pink one kind of already stiffened up, like as if we made a bowl bath bomb, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yes, so we are gonna make the best of what we have here. It's not as
good as
this green one is, because we just did the green one on camera, but we did these earlier and we had to wait for our camera to charge. So we are just gonna wing this on out, okay? So you're gonna have to just take scoops. Yours will not look like this because
it's
you will do yours immediately, not wait. We kind of waited, so now
it's kind of dry.
It's kind of dry again. It's almost like bath bomb ready.
Yeah.
So take it as a lesson learned. Don't mix your stuff and let it sit before you create it. You got to do it all at one time, because then it's going to stiffen up like so. But we are loosening this baby on up to the best of our ability. Now go ahead and scoop something out and put it in here, okay? Even if it's a bulk.
What's a bulk?
Jace is okay.
Jason's making lemonade. Ooh. Yeah.
Some more green. Our green is our easy one to use right now.
Oh, so we're just gonna put green in there. So if you don't know who's doing this, it's my brother who's doing this, right?
You want to put more yellow?
Yeah, put more yellow right here. Yellow's right there. It's kind of chunky.
Yep, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right if you get chunks.
Use it.
We're just gonna make it work, okay? Don't worry about it. Drop it.
Drop some.
Okay, get more. Get more.
Get more.
So now on the opposite side, you need to put some more green.
Just that you have to copy it again.
All right, wait. Where's your thing you're gonna put in here? Your surprise. Okay, here.
So
go ahead and put it in here.
So now that's his prize.
His
starfish.
Yep, let's bury it in there real good.
Wait, where's my toy?
It's over here, Aubri.
I'm gonna have a...
Go ahead and put some yellow now. Let's put some yellow.
I bury my toy.
Yep, you gotta bury the toy now. We have both of our sides nice and full to the top. So now we're gonna put these together. So it says to go like that. Hey.
So now you're gonna show, Mom, can you show the people? So this is how the bath bomb looks like. It has sprinkles in it.
I think we could have stuffed it a little bit more, but
yeah.
It's okay. This is our first one, so we are going to do bath bomb number 2. It's your turn. Here you go, Aubri.
Can you get off? My turn. All right, now guys, I'm gonna do the bubble gum. So it's gonna be pink and blue.
Okay, go ahead.
Now I'm starting with pink because
our pink is really stiff.
Yeah.
But
it's the same thing as the yellow.
But we are making it work again.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna do green. Now I'm doing pink again.
We got one side done. So she is starting on her other half.
Wait,
okay, stop. Now put your mermaid in there.
Okay.
Alright, so we have our 2 halves.
And I'll okay, we're gonna do.
So this is her bath bomb that she just made. Look how cool the colors.
Mine's is
I have 2 done.
Now we're gonna do
The second one came out a little better than the first one because we didn't really know what we were doing initially. So this one has like some spacage going on here, but this one we did pretty good. So this one should be coming out good now. Little trick that you can do is as you are putting in your mix, just press it down. That's how we made our second one a lot neater than the first one. The first one, we have quite a bit of space in it. So
guys,
we got one side done. Put the surprise in there, we almost forgot. You gotta bury it.
Bury
Alright, mommy bury it. Mommy bury it.
Mommy bury it.
We have our two halves. Okay, here we go.
I want to get like more closer to it so people can see.
Okay, so we made a super marble one.
But Mommy, can we make this kind of marble?
All right.
Can we make a pink marble?
So bomb. Okay, so we have our 3 bombs here. As you can see, we did mostly green because that was our best. Our best one that we had was the green.
Mommy,
so it says to wait 2 hours for your bath bombs to be ready. So we will be back in 2 hours. We chose to use the one that was kind of messed up just to test it out. It really hasn't been 2 hours, but my kids are impatient and they want to give it a try because it's time for their bath. So it may or may not work. If it does not work, we will show you the working one tomorrow. All right, here you guys go. Both of you guys, both at the same time.
What is in it? No, wait, not yet. It's my toy. It's my toy. I will still name. It's my toy. Can you do it fast?
And it actually works.
And yeah. And guys, do you know it's my toy is in there? Guys, do not touch it. It might hurt you. That's what I'm watching for the toys. Guys, I'm gonna grab the toy first. No.
Come on.
Look. Toy. This is what it looks like.
Tell us what you think about the bath bomb.
The bath bomb was really cool because the toys started coming out and the sprinkles were really cool too.
Jace, what do you think about the bath bomb?
In the bath bomb when it like fizzed.
All right, Jace, what do you think about the bath bomb?
It really fizzed, but my toy got out, but the bath bomb didn't got out. Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was.
It was?
Yeah. We're gonna make another video. It's gonna be the special edition bath bomb. No, it's gonna be my bath bomb. It's for Aubri's bath bomb. It's gonna be the special edition bath bomb. I'm just like, subscribe.